He said, is it the practice of God Almighty to inform His beloved one, the people who are near Him, His awliya, His khulafa, and the holy people in general, about the nearness of their demise? بقرب موتهم.
As he did in the case of Hazrat Muslim alayhi salam. He wants to know.
اردو میں بتا دیجیے.
وہ کہہ رہے ہیں کہ اللہ تعالیٰ کی کیا یہ مستقل طور پہ سنت ہے کہ جیسے مسلم السلام کو آپ کی وفات سے پہلے خبر دے دی تھی تو دوسرے سارے اولیاء خلفاء وغیرہ کو بھی اللہ تعالیٰ بتا دیتا ہے.
Necessarily, it's not sunnat. So he may choose those servants whom he foretells the time of their death or the day of their death or the nearness of their death. And there are so many cases among Ahmadis who are treated like this with God, by God, and they sometimes write to me beforehand that time is near, and they do die on the appointed time which was told them. So there are hundreds of such cases in the world of Ahmadiyyat, but it is not still a Sunnah of Allah. It is not necessary. Whomsoever Allah chooses, He informs, and whomsoever He doesn't choose, He does not inform.